So the last drone footage I had before my drone lost connection with my remote. The building's power shut down and it climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed. And that was it. Right after this clip stopped, lost connection between the remote and the drone. The power in the building shut off. So I was there for like 20 minutes trying to reconnect. I guess the Wi-Fi signal from all the buildings, because all the buildings had power failure, and that's the drone stayed up there. It just flew away. Hit the home button, return to home. One time it said returning to home, and then no more signal, and that was it.